Hey, what's up? I'm Neelou. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to follow up my February lipstick and lip gloss edit with my March lip edit. And I'm really excited because this is something I'm gonna do every single month. I think it's a great way to use up lipsticks. So I'm taking stuff that's in my current collection and choosing like maybe 5 to 6 products that I'm gonna use the whole month and really test out and really use up. I think it's a great way to kind of rotate through the things that you have. I know a lot of us that are really into lipsticks are prone to hoarding stuff, and I don't want that to happen. I want to really go through my whole collection and really use everything. So I've got a few products here. I'm gonna start with the one I'm wearing right now, and it's actually a clear product, but it's the Incredible Jelly Shot from the Sephora Give Me Some Lip Shine set. And I layer this over ColourPop's Zuma. But I wanna try to use this a lot this month because it's great to use under lip liner or over lip liner. I'll just line my lips with whatever color I feel like and just swipe this on top. And it's so thin and easy to use that it doesn't move whatever's underneath it. It just is really convenient, and the fact that it's in a tube and not like a regular lip balm type of format really helps. So this is something I definitely have been using a lot and will continue to use this month. This next product is from Fenty Beauty, so I want to shout out Noah. She commented on my February lip edit video and told me some of her favorite products, and Fenty Mattemoiselle Lipstick in Candy Venom was one of them, and it is so pretty. This is from, I think, the 2017 Give Me Some More lip set, but look, I mean, come on. It's beautiful. So shout out to you, Noah, for reminding me. I told her I ran to my bathroom to find this as soon as she brought it up because it's just a beautiful color and such a gorgeous formula. It's really, really opaque, and it's really, I think it's comfortable for a matte, but you probably want to moisturize underneath and then kind of like wipe it off before you put this on. At least that's what I would do, but beautiful color, and it's very long lasting. So I want to try to use this more. I don't think I've used this since last year. The next thing I'm gonna use this March is the e.l.f. lipstick in the color Tea Rose. And e.l.f. has a lot of incredible products. I think, yeah, there is a little hype to e.l.f. products, but I don't think they get the credit that they deserve, okay? This is the color Tea Rose, and it's a beautiful, I would call it like a pale purpley mauve. Like, it's more of a pastel mauve. And it's the coolest purpley pink that I can pull off, that I've noticed. I've been in search of this color for a very long time, and it was only like $3. With my olive skin, if I ever try to go for cool or paler colors, especially when they're like pinks or purples, it really does not work out well for me. But this doesn't seem to have a lot of gray in it. It's just very cool tone, and it's so beautiful, and it's really the coolest tone pink or purple that I can pull off. So if you have olive skin, or if you have darker skin that you're trying to experiment with like slightly pastel shades but you're scared, this is great. This is gorgeous. The next product, I've had this for quite a long time actually, and I love the color, so I want to use it more. It's the NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Bedtime Flirt. This one, I've complained about this line of lipsticks a lot, liquid lipsticks. I've complained a ton. But this one is a gorgeous color and a gorgeous formula, but the whole line is just kind of a mess. This is the only one out of, I think, 2 that I liked. That's the color. It looks a lot lighter when it's actually on my lips versus on my hand. But it's really comfortable. It does last quite a long time, but I haven't reached for it in a while, and I want to try to use it more because I really, truly do love this. It's just that when you have so many damn lipsticks, you don't remember what you need to use. The last one is something slightly out of my comfort zone. If you watch my videos a lot, you know I'm not really into glitter, and I like lip gloss, but I'm not super into it. Lipstick is definitely my number one. But this is the Anastasia lip gloss in Venus, and this is in the Sephora Give Me Some Lip Shine set, which I swatched, and I'll put the video up there. But it's just so beautiful, and it looks so scary on my hand. In person, at least. It looks kind of freaky, but it is a peachy gold tone gloss with gold duochrome glitter. I mean, it's very hard to describe because it is a lot of everything, but it's so pretty to layer. I'll show you. I actually layered it over a color that was like Candy Venom the other day, and I mean, look at that. Like, it makes it look so cool. Like I feel like one of those cool like Glossier girls on Instagram, which I'm not, but like, you know, you know, it's that aesthetic, it just makes my soul a little happy. And I wanna try to use this and layer this over stuff. I think I tried wearing it by itself and it scared me. Like it did not look good on me. So I'm gonna layer it over some lipsticks and see what I can do. So those are the 5 lipsticks I'm gonna be using a lot this month, my little lip edit for March, but I did wanna include a quick little glimpse into face products. I included this in my February favorites video, but I definitely wanna keep using these in March. This is a little Becca set that I got from Sephora, but it's the Bronze Bondi bronzer. I'm wearing all of this stuff right now. It's Bronze Bondi, and then the blush in Snapdragon, which is beautiful. It looks so scary, but I used a stippling brush and it's just so easy to apply that way. And then the highlighter in Opal. So I really like this combination. It just makes you look so summery and glowy. It's a great springtime, summertime combination to use. I really, really love this. So definitely something I'm gonna be using in March as well. I think I'm gonna include a small like extra product. Someone suggested that in the February edit video, to just include a product that's not lipstick, either a product that I've been trying or a product that I'm gonna be using as part of like my own makeup edit for the month. So this is definitely that. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to your girl and let me know what you've been using or what you're going to be using this March. I would love to know your makeup or lipstick edit for this month. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.